Hi, I'm Lisa, the founder of Claw, the appeals search site. I just wanted to show you an example of how you can save yourself hours and hours and hours of time scrolling through appeals just by using some simple keyword searches on Claw. So I'm going to start with grey belt, which is a very hot topic at the moment amongst planners. If I just search for grey belt on its own, I use the inverted commas and that helps narrow down the search. So I'll just press enter, and if I put just the term grey belt in, this is the number of appeals that come up with that term within it. If I want to narrow that down, I can click on the allowed or dismissed. I can click on green belt as well, and then there are a drop down list of other options to add on and off, which will just pop up here. Also, if you want to search for a term using a local authority as well, I don't have a local authority drop down because it takes up too much space on the page, but you can just add the local authority, press enter, and then this is how many appeals will come up with North Somerset, but also the conservation area tag is still on. If I take that off, this is the number of appeals that come up with these two search terms in. You can always add further search terms if you want to. This is the intelligence summary. This is the bit that's going to save you all of your time searching through appeals, because this one paragraph tells you everything that you need to know about the appeal. So if there's nothing in there that stands out to you that looks like it's something that you want to look at, you can just keep scrolling down to find something that is relevant. If you do think this is relevant and you want to have a quick scroll through the appeal, then it will pop up in your screen here, have a little look through, and then you can download at that point. Or you can go straight to the appeal by clicking view appeal and it opens up in a new tab. This grayed out area, this is a clip taken from the appeal document itself. And then the other information, this is the site address, the local authority sits under there. If it's allowed or dismissed is over here. And this is the date of the appeal. All of the results come up in order of relevance, which is decided by the computer rather than in date order. But you have got the option to click on last 12 months or last 3 years, last 5. I don't have a date search on Claw because I feel like if you clicked on something, you put a date search in from January 2023 to January 2024, and there's a really relevant appeal that comes up in February 2024, it's not going to come up. So that just gives you a more thorough search, in my opinion. That is just a really quick demo to show you how you can save hours, manpower, resources, saving yourself time searching for appeals that might support your argument.